almost to our next destination, Arnold Air Force Base Famcamp. Look at that beautiful sky. Oh my gosh. Daisy's like, yeah, just let me out of this moving bus. Those clouds. So pretty. Whee! Oh, it's so good to almost be home for a while. Well, we're always home. Just to be parked.
Not have to drive anywhere.
Look at those clouds. Oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous.
And the sun broke free.
We have arrived.
It's gonna pull me this way like I did.
Yeah. Australians coming through. Oh boy, should I get out and help you navigate?
I think we're okay.
Ah, yeah, we got it.
That mirror's good.
Yep. Oh, watch the tree,
I'm
the
good
car.
in the back. I'm good in the back. I
You
can
are? Okay. Man. Stay on the
Okay, what's our
road.
number?
18. Now, this is what we're talking about. Daisy's like, don't videotape me anymore. Look at that. Our backyard for 5 nights. What a beautiful day. It's one of the nicest military campgrounds I've ever been to, as far as atmosphere, you know? I love how they're all so different. Hi, cuties! So we're trying a new anti-squirrel chasing system. Harness and a real leash. The engine test facility here at Arnold is so cool. I just had to give you a sneak peek. This is likely the aero propulsion system test facility built in 1985, costing $625 million. It simulates altitudes up to 75,000 feet and generates speeds up to Mach 2.3. These above-ground pipes, similar to what we saw at Red River Army Depot, are likely used to transport the gases needed to operate the weather condition systems and air heaters required for the testing. I found a video that goes into some detail on these systems and how they work. If you find this fascinating, check the link in the description. It's really interesting. While driving around, David made some assumptions and we had fun wondering about these theories. For example, this huge valve might be a high-pressure water hose to help cool down the capsule during testing, or maybe it's reserved for emergencies. I'm confident there is more to it than my brain is able to consider, but it seemed to be worth sharing with you. Mostly, it gives me something to appreciate about all the things going on in the world that are beyond my understanding. And just like that, it's time to leave on to our next adventure. Look at what a beautiful day it is. The sun will be at our back. That's a rare event. Hope you guys enjoyed this video about Arnold Air Force Base. We'll see you in Jasper, Tennessee.